All right, I'm going to try to demonstrate how this strap fits. Got to get this one out. So this comes as two pieces, and this actually pulls out. And so the first step is you take this in underneath, and I don't know how much. I've been doing about a couple of inches, and fold it flat, and I'm not actually going to install it. I'm toying with actually installing this kind versus this kind. And let me remove this one. Okay. So the instruction is this goes through the gap here, under the cotter pin for the first go around, and you pull it around, and then the second time it goes through the cotter pin, and usually loosening it makes it a little easier to get it through. So it goes through like that, and then you just pull it somewhat reasonably tight, the two loops. And then you put a screwdriver or something through here, and you start tightening this, twisting it tight like I've done there. And what will happen is then the excess will be left here. And what we haven't done on this one, but I've done on the other side, is I snipped it off and then hammered it flat. I am still a little concerned about this kind for a couple of reasons, and let me show you. So hopefully this was clear enough on how to install this. Once again, it goes in. First you do a bend, second time you just run it under the cotter, and then the next time you run it through the cotter, through the middle of the cotter bed. Let me show you the other side where we've done it and cut it and hammered it flat. Still not happy, and you notice the end of the cotter sort of hits the edge and will scratch it, and I'm also concerned that the end of the cotter will cut into the boot. So that's why I'm now trying the later style, the end of this kind, which actually aesthetically I like. It's very neat. It's just clips on. I've just got to figure out how to properly crimp this part. So that's where I am.